What's the difference between someone who dreams and someone who actually makes it happen? You know, the ones who turn those late-night fantasies into their living, breathing reality? I'm talking about the ones who are out there actually doing it. Look, we all have dreams. But what separates those who stay stuck in the what if and those who are living it? It boils down to habits, my friends. The daily grind, the hustle, the constant push to be better. It's those small, consistent actions that add up to massive results. And that's what we're diving into today. 3 key habits that can transform you from a dreamer into a doer. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get to work. Let's talk about goals, baby. Not those fluffy, I want to be successful kind of goals. I'm talking about the nitty-gritty, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Yeah, you heard that right. SMART goals. Dreamers, they love to keep it vague. Oh, I want to start a business, they say. But ask them what kind, what their target market is when they plan to launch. Crickets. Doers, on the other hand, they've got the whole game plan figured out. They've broken down their big, hairy, audacious goal into smaller, bite-sized chunks. They know exactly what they need to do each day, each week, each month to hit those milestones. And they track their progress like a hawk, making adjustments along the way, because the market doesn't care about your feelings. It just is what it is. Look, I don't care if you're starting a business, writing a book, or trying to get in shape. You need clear goals. Without them, you're just drifting, hoping to bump into success. Spoiler alert, it doesn't work that way. So grab a notebook, open up your notes app, whatever you gotta do, and get specific. What do you want to achieve? How will you measure success? What's the deadline? Write it down, make it real, and let's go. I'm telling you, there's nothing more powerful than having a clear vision of where you want to go. It's like having a roadmap to your own success. And trust me, once you start seeing those small wins along the way, the momentum will be unstoppable. But it all starts with setting those goals, my friends. No more excuses. Get clear, get focused, and let's make it happen. Alright, let's talk about the not-so-sexy part of the equation, persistence. Because let me tell you, the road to success is paved with obstacles, setbacks, and straight-up failures. Dreamers, they tend to crumble at the first sign of trouble. They hit a roadblock and think, well, I guess it wasn't meant to be. But doers? Doers are built different. They embrace the struggle. They know that every challenge is an opportunity to learn, to grow, to come back stronger. They don't let rejection stop them. They use it as fuel to the fire. I'm talking about that relentless, never give up attitude. Look, I've been there. I've faced more rejection than you can imagine. But I never let it break me. I used it as motivation to work harder, to prove the doubters wrong. And that's what you need to do too. Because the truth is, most people give up right before they're about to hit their breakthrough. They get discouraged, they lose sight of their goals, and they settle for mediocrity. Don't be like most people. Embrace the grind, embrace the challenges, because it's in those moments of adversity that you discover your true potential. Remember, success is not a straight line. It's a messy, winding journey with plenty of ups and downs. But it's the persistence, that unwavering belief in yourself and your vision, that will ultimately get you to where you want to be. So the next time you face a setback, don't you dare give up. Dust yourself off, learn from it, and come back even stronger. Because persistence, my friends, is the ultimate differentiator between those who dream and those who do. We live in a world that's changing faster than ever before. What worked yesterday might not work today, and it definitely won't work tomorrow. So if you're not constantly learning and adapting, you're falling behind. Dreamers, they tend to get stuck in their ways. They cling to their old ideas, their outdated strategies, and wonder why they're not seeing results. But doers Doers are like sponges, constantly absorbing new information, new skills, new perspectives. They're not afraid to challenge the status quo, to experiment, to try new things. They understand that the only way to stay ahead of the curve is to be constantly evolving. This means being open to feedback, even if it's tough to hear. It means seeking out mentors and learning from those who are ahead of you. It means being a student of your craft, always striving to improve, to refine, to master your skills. Look, I don't care how successful you get, there's always more to learn. The minute you think you know it all is the minute you stop growing. And in today's world, if you're not growing, you're dying. So make a commitment to yourself to be a lifelong learner. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend conferences. Surround yourself with people who challenge you to be better. Because the more you learn, the more you adapt, the more unstoppable you become. The world is changing, my friends. The question is, will you change with it? There you have it, folks. 3 key habits that can help you bridge the gap from dreamer to doer. Remember, it all starts with setting clear goals, having the persistence to push through challenges, and being committed to continuous learning and adaptation. Now, I want you to take action. Don't just watch this video and forget about it. Implement these habits into your daily life. I'm talking about making a real change, a real commitment to becoming the best version of yourself. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And hey, don't forget, subtitles are available if you need them. Now go out there and make your dreams a reality.